Good day guys, welcome back to this channel. So if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share and also make your comments. So we will take a look at CAD/JPY for this week. We want to see where this movement will be made for this week. So this will be a quick analysis, by the way. So I would love to check out on what this price will be moving. So if you take a look at this CADJPY, so take a look at it. Let's start with the higher time frame. For the monthly time frame, you see that this CADJPY is giving us a bullish move. One of the reasons we are having this bullish move on this CADJPY is that JPY index or JPY pace is actually dropping. That is to tell, as we are getting a bearish move on JPY, then any other pace to our JPY will give us a bullish move. So this is why we are trading CAD to JPY, but which is our CAD to JPY is giving us a bullish move. That is on the monthly time frame. Have it in mind that in the monthly time frame, that is it. But daily time frame is kind of different. So we will get into that soon. Now let's add this moving average to guide us. We all see that this price is above moving average. It is a buy if you are to go long on the CADJPY. Then you can now see that this price is giving us a pullback, which is bearish. So you can see this movement that happened in the month of November. We had about 500 pips bearish move. 500 pips bearish move was made. So definitely we will continue this bearish move to be able to take out this candlestick wick here. So from here to this candlestick, take out this candlestick wick here. We have about 250 pips bearish move. So we have about 250. We still need to make about 250 pips bearish move or 250 pips downward movement on this CADJPY. That is to tell that this CADJPY, the pullback or the bearish move is not yet over. So now take a look at this weekly time frame, guys. So you can see that this price kind of give us, let's start this movement from here. We saw this ice here on CADJPY. This was a correction. A new ice was formed. Guess what? We had here again a correction. Price kind of went up, break above it a little bit, not much though. A pullback was made that tested this. So this is an indication that this uptrend is starting to fade. Then a new ice was made. Guess what? A pullback was made. Guess what? The price failed to break this previous ice. The price is now dropping. And guess what now? This price has now broken this previous higher lows. So this was the higher highs and this is the higher lows, right? This is the higher low, so price has now broken below it. So the next level we want to see this price drop to is this level, right? Because price has once come to this level previously. We saw price tested this level, right? We saw price tested this level, and we all know that if price has tested the level previously multiple times, it has tested the level multiple times previously, and price is close to that level, then price will definitely get to that level and test it. So now that this price has broken below this level, right, and it is now dropping, it is close to this same level, so we will see price get to the same level and test it. And also have it in mind that CAD itself, CAD PS is dropping. If you check correlation PS, right, if you take a look at New Zealand CAD, you see New Zealand is going bullish while the CAD is dropping. If you take a look at CADJPY, you can see it, we are also on a bearish move. If you take you see CAD Swiss franc, I think we are also on a bearish move for that one. Even GBP CAD is giving us a bullish move because GBP is going bullish while the CAD is dropping. So when you take a look at this CAD PS, you know that this CAD is on a bearish move. So CAD is dropping. So one of the reasons why we would continue to see this bearish move on this CAD to JPY. Secondly, is that this moving average price is below the moving average, so price has broken below it. So you can take a look at this as a movement here. So price got to this level, it has reacted to previously. One of the reasons why we had a reaction by giving us a pullback. Now this price has gone down and has broken this previous lows. So we'll be expecting another lows. So price reacted here. So we should be expecting a new lows for price to come and react here. So CADJPY still bearish. And now we can see on this daily time frame. So clearly we can see on the daily time frame, this is a bearish move. So we kind of had some reaction within this level, right? Price kind of reacted here. So now price has broken below it and we are now expecting a bearish move. Even it's giving us a bearish move. Secondly, is that you can still see it. Price is still below the 10 period moving average. Assuming it is above it, then we would possibly want to go long, or we would actually opt out of this trade, but it is below it. So a confirmation, we are bearish. Now you can see this price here reacting to this level is here. So let me raise it up a little bit. Price has reacted here, came to this level, reacting. So you see that this price is dropping and it is close to this same level. So definitely price should be able to hit this level. react by giving us a bullish move. But as at now, the goal first of all is to actually drop down to this level on CAD JPY. So now that should take us to the 4 hour time frame. So what does the 4 hour time frame says? Bearish. Assuming this 4 hour time frame was in a bullish move, would have opted out of this trade, but it is bearish because we want to short it, right? Weekly time frame says we have to short, daily time frame says we have to short. Even the weekly on the 4 hour time frame, we want to place this trade, right? And the 4 hour time frame says we are bearish, so we have to go. At first, it was actually ranging within this level. So this is one of the reasons why we have to actually stay out of this trade. We did not place any trade because price was kind of ranging and we stayed. Now that this price has broken below it and it has gone to test it, and it is now giving us that bearish move. So it is a sign or an indication that it is time for us to jump on this trade and short this CAD JPY for the week.